Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a game-changing solution for you. Have you ever faced the frustration of not being able to download CapCut even after connecting your VPN? Well, worry no more because we've got the ultimate fix. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech hacks and solutions. So we know the struggle. You've got your VPN on, ready to explore the creative wonders of CapCut, but the install just don't show up in Google Play Store. Fret not, we've got the perfect workaround to get CapCut on your device hassle-free. Introducing Super VPN. This powerhouse app will not only secure your connection, but also pave the way for a seamless CapCut download experience. Let's jump into the step-by-step guide. First, head over to your App Store and download Super VPN. Once installed, open the app and connect to a server of your choice. Now watch as the barrier to CapCut disappear. Super VPN, you not only unlock CapCut but also ensure a secure and private browsing experience. No more geo restrictions, just pure creative freedom at your fingertips. Hit that like button if this solution worked for you, and drop a comment with your favorite editing tips. And of course, subscribe for more tech insights and hacks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay connected and stay creative. See you in the next video.